Engelhart Motorsports Company was founded in 1968 and has been proudly serving the powersports needs of the Madison community for over 55 years and counting. With a 60,000 square foot campus, we have a large product lineup from trusted manufacturers like Polaris Off-Road, Indian Motorcycles, Slingshot, Yamaha, Can-Am, Honda, Royal Enfield, and still on display in our new inventory showrooms. The Greensmith department will set you up with premium still products and all the gear you might need to help you get the job done right. Our service center is run by technicians with years of industry experience. Indian Motorcycles are America's first motorcycle company, and we're proud to offer both new and used bikes in our Indian Motorcycle department. Whether it's a standard cruise or a cross-country road trip, you'll find the perfect bike here. If you're looking for something a little different, you can check out the Slingshots, an open-air roadster, in the same building. The pre-owned department has all types of powersports vehicles from numerous manufacturers, from Harley-Davidson motorcycles to Arctic Cat snowmobiles, and everything in between. Our parts and accessories department can get you set up with everything you or your vehicle will need to hit the trails, roads, or just your backyard with quality brands like Climb, Shoei, Fly Racing, Thor, Portec, Alpine Stars, and many more.
We can't wait to see you here.